I'm putting them onto the paper towel.
Okay.
Oh, that's not.
Where did you learn this from?
I learned this from a gardening video.
Okay. So you have an organic strawberry and you're extracting what?
Seeds.
Okay, what do you do after you extract those seeds?
We put some we make sure this paper towel that I'm like dancing the stick around on is wet, damp.
Okay, so we have to make it damp.
And he said that what you do is after you put the water on, make sure it doesn't drip.
Okay.
So when you put it in the zipper, leave the ends open, and then watch if it drips. If it drips, you got too much water. Transfer it to another paper towel.
Okay. All right. So that is neat, Mikael. So how long does it stay in the refrigerator? Do you remember?
2 weeks.
Yep, 2 weeks. And then after 2 weeks, can we plant them outside?
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's going to sprout.
All right. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens in 2 weeks, right? All right.
Like grabbing some of the flesh and putting it on to the seeds.
All right. So everyone stay tuned. In 2 weeks, we'll be back. And we'll see what happens after we put it in the refrigerator.
A seed.
Thank you, Mikael.
And I'll use this one to start wiping it off. Make sure this is not a seed.
All right.
See, I'm gonna put some seeds on this paper towel too. Okay, this is a seed here. So I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna put this on this paper towel. I'm gonna move.
Oh, let's see that other paper towel one more time. Thank you, Tina. Okay, that's helpful.
That's this right here is called a strawberry seed. I'm putting more strawberry seed. You see the strawberry here, and I'm picking the seeds out with the stick.
All right. Well, thank you, everyone, for listening. I have to go flip something on the stove here, but Mikael will keep us updated in 2 weeks. What will happen after he puts it in the refrigerator?
It's going to sprout.
It's going to sprout, okay? He's claimed it. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.